Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about loader maintenance. It's one of those items that everyone kind of neglects. You use the tractor, you use the loader every day, and maintenance just kind of goes by the wayside. So just to remind you, try to get to that thing with a grease gun once a week, especially if you're using it every day to feed your cows or load silage, whatever you're doing. The other thing to do is when you're doing your 500-hour interval oil change maintenance, take that loader and set it down on the ground and see how much movement there is in some of the pins. We recommend about every 3,000 hours to change out the bushings in the loader. Not necessarily do you have to do all of the bushings, but if you go through and you check those pins and bushings, it's a great way to keep from wearing out all of the holes that you have to take to a welding shop and have them ream them and build special bushings and make new pins. You can still use all the factory stuff. So stop in when you're getting an oil filter, get one new pin and a couple of new bushings, and just go through and do some checks. It's pretty easy to check for sloppiness, and then knock that bushing out and replace it and see if it tightens it up. And you can usually, the pivot ones on the bucket are the first ones to go, and then the bucket tilt cylinders, and then kind of work your way back from there. But just some quick and easy things to do when you're doing your oil changes. And again, make sure you use that grease gun once a week. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.